Welcome back. Brett Canaday here, Juice Feaster on all of the social media platforms, and I'm on a mission to cleanse, regenerate, and transform 1 million people with the magical powers of juicing. In today's video, we're going to make an awesome recipe that's perfect for anti-inflammation, hydration, and carbing up, fueling up, and it's called the Anti-Inflammation Station. Let's get into it. Okay, 4 very simple ingredients here. We've got a golden pineapple. Can be any pineapple, but I really like the golden varieties. I like to get these guys and let them sit on the counter for a day or two so they can get ooey gooey, soft and sticky sweet. This is our carbohydrate portion, the fuel portion of our recipe. Then for the hydration portion, we've got a young coconut here, water of 1 coconut, packed full of electrolytes, sodium and potassium, super great for hydration. For the anti-inflammation portion, we've got a 3-inch thumb of ginger and a 2 to 3-inch thumb of turmeric. If you would like it a little less spicy, you can use a little bit less ginger if you are so inclined. Okay, we're going to juice up our ingredients here, the pineapple, ginger, and turmeric. We're using the Try Best Shine vertical cold press juicer today. This is a great inexpensive juicer if you are new to juicing, or if you already own a high-end juicer. This is a great augmentation to those as well for making quick juices or as a travel juicer. I'll post a link in the description box below so that you can check it out for yourself. Also using a fine mesh strainer here to filter out any pulp or any chips or husk from the coconut. Okay, there you have it, the Anti-Inflammation Station recipe. A great recipe to throw in the mix of your daily juicing habit, or if you're on a juice cleanse, juice feast, solid food vacation, it's also a great recipe to mix up the recipes that you use on that as well. If you're interested in doing a juice cleanse, juice feast, solid food vacation, click the link in the description box below and you can get a free copy of my Juice Feasters protocol. It's the exact plan that I used to go 105 days on juice only, as well as lose 25 pounds in 30 days. So click the link in the description box below and you can get your very own copy. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Until we speak again, I encourage you to make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy. Cheers, my friends. Oh, so good. Whoa. Wow.